Okay, I am doing the presentation on my protein project. My said protein was acetylcholinesterase. I think I'm saying that right. Uh, my protein has a spherical, like globular type shape in its original shape. It's very compact. It's a folded protein with generally rounded 3D shape. Um, the number of polypeptide chains it has basically depends on the form. If it's a monomeric form, it has only one polypeptide chain, and if it's I believe it's a oligomeric form, and it those have two forms, such as dimer, which has two chains, and tetramer, which have four chains, and they're both very common. Um, my protein contains 14 alpha helices in its monomeric structure, and it also contains 14 beta strands that are organized into a single eight-stranded beta sheet core, forming part of a mixed alpha beta fold. Um, I didn't have a said mutation. It was more of a chemical reaction to my protein. And after the chemical reaction, the change in my protein takes place within the synaptic cleft, and that's where it terminates signal transmission by hydrolyzing ACH, which is the abbreviation to my protein. Uh, the normal function of my protein before the chemical reaction is to break down the neurotransmitter. What is it? The neurotransmitter acetylcholine in the synaptic cleft, which is the space between the nerve cells and between a nerve and a muscle. The normal function it holds is enzyme because it has a hydrophase function. For my 3D model, um, this was my 3D model. So this would be before the before the chemical reaction, and this would be after. So they will like conjoin and combine, and some things would break down and be like taken out of the protein or dissolve out of the protein. As you can see, like that's why I have the blue and the white, and then the red and the white. And then when it's combined, like the white is basically gone dust with that's basically what the protein is losing and what's being broken down. Um, my protein is normally found in places where I keep messing this word up. My protein is normally found in places where acetylcholine is used as a neurotransmitter, but mostly in the nervous system and muscle tissue. It is found in or around several types of cells, such as I think it's cholinergic neurons, skeletal muscle cells, which are muscle fibers, um, glial cells, astrocyte, which are astrocytes, and red blood cells, which are erythrocytes, and it is found in animal cells and not plant cells. That's my presentation and my 3D model. You can see the before and after once again.